Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Alpine mesh stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the front post triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. That's 1 and 2. Make 1 chain to skip 1 chain. And then into each of the next 3 chains, you're going to make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Make 1 chain to skip 1 chain, and then into each of the next 3 chains, make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Make 1 chain to skip 1 chain, then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. Make 1 chain to skip 1 chain, then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. Make 1 chain to skip 1 chain, and then when you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 4 chains left after you skip this one. You're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the last 4 chains. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch and space, chain 1 space across. So that's 1 chain and then 1 single crochet into each stitch and space across for row 2. To start row 3, make 3 chains. So first we're going to work our first stitch into the row below, so not this single crochet row we just made, but our first row, or the row 2 rows down. So you're going to skip the first stitch and you're going to make a front post triple crochet into the next stitch. Now these chains right here are acting as a stitch. So then we have a double crochet and a double crochet. So technically this is going to be 3 double crochet with these chains. And you can see going forward we have a block of 3 double crochet until we reach the end of our row. So we're going to be skipping that first stitch and you're going to be making a front post triple crochet into the next one or the middle double crochet. So it's going to be around this stitch right here. That is how that is looking. You're then going to make a regular double crochet into the next stitch and we are going to be making it into the last row we made, so that single crochet row. So that's how that is looking. Then the chains that we made at the beginning of this row are going to count as a double crochet, so we're going to stick with that block of 3. So we're going to make 1 chain. We're going to skip 1 stitch or chain 1 space since we're skipping over this right here. Now we're going to be working into the next block of 3. So we're going to start by making a regular double crochet, make it into the next stitch, just the row we worked into. So first we're going to make a regular double crochet. You're going to work that into the next stitch, the regular next stitch, not working down here. So just like regular, make a double crochet. Then you're going to make a front post triple crochet into the row below. So this double crochet, this middle one. Then make a regular double crochet into the next stitch like normal. Now we're going to start repeating this. We're going to make a chain, we're going to skip a stitch, make a regular double crochet into this next stitch, make a front post triple into this middle double crochet, a row down, then make a regular double crochet into the next stitch, make a chain to skip the next stitch, make a double crochet into the next stitch, make that front post triple into that middle double crochet, a row down, regular double crochet into the next stitch, chain one, skip one, one double crochet into the next stitch, front post triple into this double crochet, that middle one, a row down, one regular double crochet into the next stitch, chain one, skip one, one double crochet into the next stitch, front post triple into the next double crochet below, regular double crochet into the next stitch. Then when we reach the end of our row, we're going to have one stitch left. Work a double crochet, a regular double crochet into that stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make one chain. Make one single crochet into each stitch and chain space across. And that's how row 4 is looking. To start row 5, make 3 chains. So row 5 is going to be very similar to row 3. We are going to be working the opposite stitches that we established in row 3. So we did double crochet, front post triple, and then double crochet, chain one, skip one, and then repeated that. We're going to do front post triple, regular double crochet, front post triple, chain one, skip one, then repeat that. So we're going to make our first front post triple over our first stitch, which are these chains right here. It's going to look like that. Into the next stitch, just working into this next single crochet, make a double crochet. And then into our next stitch, this double crochet one row down, you're going to make a front post triple. So that's how that is looking all together. Make one chain to skip one stitch. Into this next double crochet, a row down, you're going to make a front post triple. Into that next stitch, make a double crochet, a regular double crochet. Into the next stitch, into this double crochet, a row down, you're going to make a front post triple. Make a chain to skip a stitch. Into this next double crochet, a row down, make a front post triple. Make a regular double crochet into the next stitch. Front post triple into this next double crochet. And that's how that is looking. Make a chain, skip a stitch, front post triple into the next double crochet, regular double crochet into the next stitch, front post triple into the next double crochet, chain one, skip one, front post triple into this next double crochet, regular double crochet into this next stitch, front post triple into this next double crochet, chain one, skip one, front post triple into this next double crochet, regular double crochet into this next stitch, front post triple into this next double crochet. And when you get to the end of your row, you're going to have one stitch left. Work one regular double crochet into that stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 5 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 in order for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Alpine mesh stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.